Welcome back to part 2 of step-by-step house design in Revit. And see, last we left off with, I showed you how to edit a wall and create a wall of your liking with the materials and things that you want in it. So now what I'm going to do is start drawing this house, thinking of the exterior walls and the footprint this is going to have. So when you're drawing with these walls, when you're drawing with Revit, make sure that you draw in a clockwise fashion. That way all of your exterior finishes will be on the exterior walls. If you draw the other direction, then your exterior finish will be on the inside and your drywall will be on the outside. So I want to design this house around a kind of a courtyard design that I had thought of. And I've actually done the same design but in a different fashion, where the courtyard part was in back. This one's the courtyard's going to be in the front. So I'm going to draw out about 40 some odd feet in the back. Just, you don't have to be perfect with it or anything. You can draw it just like I'm drawing it, or you can, if you want to, use this instruction and design your own as you go. But however it's best for you to learn. The sidewall I'm going to pull down to about 35 feet, and I can actually, when I'm drawing these walls, I can actually type in. I don't have to click any buttons or click on anything, just type it in 35 feet and then hit enter, and then you get a 35-foot wall. I'm going to bring this across 12 feet, and this is going to come up, let's see, 10 feet. It's going to come over 18 feet, and this is going to come out a little bit further to about, let's see, how should we do that, 18 feet, and then over, we're going to line back up with that line right there, or with that wall. The thing about Revit is that it automatically gives you that reference geometry. You don't have to do that like you do in AutoCAD, where you have to go up to it and sort of turn it on for each reference. But it'll pop up with the reference line already there. Click, and then go up here and click. Okay, so now I have my basic shell of a design. And this isn't permanent. It might change as I get to assigning my spaces and arranging my spaces and dividing the spaces. I may see that I need more space somehow. So there's the shell of my house.